Gatagati ka maundu matiganite maria mari riboti-ini ya BBI gicunje kigie giturwa gia Prime Minister niho wa Kenya ingi marugameire kumana na miario iria ikoretwo ikiuma kuri ateti matiganite.
If Uhuru wants to become a Prime Minister, let it be. He has every right as a Kenyan after the amendments of the Constitution.
But as far as we are concerned, Uhuru is going nowhere. He will remain the leader of the Jubilee Party. And if anybody wants to challenge Uhuru for the leadership of the party, let them come out and say it now.
Kenyans must be thinking Murathe is dreaming. No, I don't think Murathe is dreaming. I don't think Atwoli is speaking from nowhere.
Mumbunge wa Kandara Alice Wahome, uria ugiritanagio na mwaho uria uranyita mbaru munene wa President William Ruto, niyumiritie kuruta mahitio hotekeku wa President Uhuru Kenyatta guthie na mbere na utongoria wa bururi ari ta Prime Minister.
When we made our constitution and put provisions of a term limit, we did not put the limit of age, because we expected that even at 70, if Kenyans want you to be their leader, then you'll be elected.
There are so many alternatives. They can agree, even with the former Prime Minister, for the former Prime Minister to run for the presidency of this country. And if he then comes in with the party, with the majority seats, the leader of the party with the majority seats, as per the BBI recommendation, forms the government. And if Uhuru is a party leader, he will form that government.
No yo kurigana na atongoria aria marauga mararuta mawoni mao kiumbe uroneka atari undu muhuri na guoya wa atongoria aria manyitaga mbaru munini wa President William Ruto ni kuona ahota gutharuririo giuthi gia gukayukia utongoria wa bururi mwaka wa 2022.
Tutia ukorwa ati ithuĩ kurehe haro thiini wa gicigĩra gatagati na ũguo Murathe mũraugire eyo ni expression yao gutiri mundu ageno kumuria kiuria.
Even though the person saying may be expressing their opinions and views, I think His Excellency, who we respect a lot, Uhuru Kenyatta, should actually respond to some of those issues, because were they coming from just anywhere, then maybe Kenyans would not give them attention.
They better start getting used to the idea, because that is what this new dispensation is all about.
Mogaruruku maria mendekithitio ni riboti ya BBI nimo metereirwo kuheana mwerekera na kuringana na miario ya atongoria aya gukinyaniria icunjĩ imwe cia riboti ino kwahota gukorwo na uritu.
There is nothing that bars President Uhuru from contesting even presidency after the amendments of the Constitution and after having accepted the recommendations of the BBI.
Miario ino ni umwe wa maundu maria maronania utiganu gatagati ga President Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto, maya mothe marorereirie utongoria wa mwaka wa 2022. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.